everyone. This video explains how to use the Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt solar panel. The Jackery 100-watt solar panel is an environmentally sustainable way to keep your Jackery power station charged by completely illuminating your carbon footprint. Its compact, foldable, lightweight design allows for easy travel and setup. It has a high conversion efficiency up to 23%, making it ideal for unexpected power outages and on-the-road life. In order to use the SolarSaga 100-watt solar panel with the Explorer 500, 300, or 240, simply unfold the panel and extend the two kickstands. These attach to the backside of the panel with Velcro for easy transport. Once the kickstands are extended, you can adjust the angle of the solar panel to catch the most sunlight. Make sure you are in an area with direct sunlight with no shadows overlaying the solar panel. In the back pouch, you will find the power cord for your Jackery power station. Once the solar panel is set up, simply plug this cord into the power input of the Jackery and look for the blue charging light. In order to charge the massive Jackery Explorer 1000 most efficiently, it is recommended that you use two SolarSaga 100-watt solar panels. The Explorer 1000 comes standard with an adapter that allows these two solar panels to simultaneously charge the power station. In order to use this, simply plug the charging cords from the solar panel into the inputs of the adapter, as shown here. Once these are connected, plug the opposite end of the adapter into the power input of the Explorer 1000. The SolarSaga 100-watt also has one USB-A and one USB-C output port. These can charge phones, tablets, and other devices while also charging your power station. When you are finished charging, simply put the cord back in the pouch, retract the kickstands, and fold the solar panel. The magnetic handles will hold the solar panels together while you're on your journey. Thanks for watching.